In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the vendor details along with their opening balances so that it automatically creates this control account of accounts payable and automatically update this balance, which is a combination of both of these balances in the chart of accounts. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, from the dashboard or from any area, you can switch directly to the expenses section and click on vendors. And from this section, we have two options. Either we can import the vendor details or we can add the manual ones. So let's click on add vendor because we just want to learn how the system works, and the import process will be very simple after that. So vendor display name, I will only enter the compulsory fields and leave the rest as it is. So this is pretty self-explanatory. So the vendor details is this one. Paste it right here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, address and every other detail. You can fill it later on. I'll just stick with my project. So 50,000 is the balance. I'll just put it right here. And this is of 1st of January. As of 1st of January, save it. And let's move to the next one. Close this simplify vendor payments, close. And we can also add a new vendor right from here. When we enter the first vendor, it took you to this screen where it's showing the summary of the vendors along with the name. So click on the plus sign right at the top and we can enter the new vendor now. So next one is Cyan. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and in the opening balances, we put 80,000 as a balance as of 1st of January. Click save. And both of these balances are now updated. Let's move to accounting tab and just go to chart of accounts. We should now see an accounts payable ledger right here. And the balance, as you can see, is automatically updated to 130,000. And this exactly matches this one. And if you want to see the details of it, we can just click on view register. And it's showing the individual breakup of all the opening balances along with the vendor details. So that's how we update the vendor details along with the opening balances and link it to the control accounts in QuickBooks Online. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.